Hey everyone, here's a question from rational numbers. The question is, find 10 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So they are really important type of question. You can expect this type of question for exam. So what we should do here? So whenever you see this type of question and the rational numbers have a different denominator, like here we have a 4 and we have 2, they are different, right? So the first step will be we have to make them same. Denominator should be equal. So for that we're going to take the LCM of denominator. So LCM of 4 and 2 we have to find out, which will be 4. Now I'm going to find out the equivalent rational number of 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, where the denominator will be equal to 4. So for the first number we already have a 4 in the denominator, so we don't have to do anything, or if you want to do, you have to just multiply the numerator and denominator with 1, or else you just keep the number like that because we already have a 4 here, right? So we don't have to do anything. So the next number is 1 by 2. So to this 2 I want denominator 4. So with what number I should multiply here to get 4? Now remember, we are finding the equivalent rational number of 1 by 2, and there are two ways of finding out that. One is multiplying and one is dividing. So if you divide, you will not get 4, which means we have to multiply certain number to this 2 to get 4. So what is that number? It is 2, right? So multiply 2 in the denominator and in the numerator. So 1 2s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So we got 2 by 4, and our next number is 1 by 4. Now if you see these two numbers, we have 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. There is no gap between. After 1 we will get the next number is 2 by 4, right? 1 by 4, after that we have 2 by 4. There is no gap between them. Then how to find out the 10 rational numbers between these two rational numbers? In that case, we are going to find out the equivalent rational number of 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. So in the first step, we found the equivalent rational number of these numbers, where we wanted denominator to be equal to 4. Now you can see that the numbers have a same denominator, that is 4. Now again we are going to find out the equivalent rational number of 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. And what is the purpose now? Because the gap between these two numbers is very small, there is no gap. To make the gap bigger, we want to find out the numbers, right? For that, again we are finding the equivalent rational number. Now when you find out, like for this step, you can multiply with any number. Like in the previous step, I was finding the equivalent rational number. I want a 4 in the denominator, so I have to multiply with a certain number like 2. I had to multiply here with 2. But for this step, we don't have any condition. We can multiply with any number. Now since they are asking us to find out 10 rational number, you pick a number which is greater than 10. If you take a 10, you will get 9 rational numbers. So it's better you take any number greater than 10 and you multiply with. You can multiply with 20, 30, 15, 100, 1000, anything. It's completely on you. Greater the number will be, the greater the gap you will get, and that may you can be able to find out the more rational numbers. And remember, there are infinitely many rational numbers between the two rational numbers. So you can multiply with a number and your friend will multiply with another number, so your answer will not match. So don't worry, your answer will be correct because there are infinitely many rational numbers. So now I'm going to multiply here with let me take a 20. Now you can pick any number. I'm taking 20 because it's easy to multiply. Now here 2 by 4, I'm going to multiply numerator and denominator by 20. With 20 I'm going to multiply, so this will become 40 by 80. Now this is my first number. Now second number, here we have 1 by 4. Now when you're multiplying here, for both the numbers should multiply with 20, otherwise denominators will again change. So here 4 into 20 and 1 into 20. So this is 20 by 80. Now you can see that between 20 by 80 and 40 by 80, that is between 20 to 40, we have many numbers like 21 by 80, we have 22 by 80, so on up to 39 by 80. So out of this, we can pick any 10 rational number and you can write down. That's it. So I hope this one is clear. Now let me write down you can just randomly pick 10 rational number and you can write down. Therefore, 10 rational numbers, 10 rational number between 40 by 80, or you can write down 20 by 80, or you can also write down 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, anything of 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. See, they all are equivalent. 1 by 4 is equivalent to 20 by 80. 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4, 2 by 4 is equivalent to 40 by 80. When you cancel 40 by 80, you will get back 1 by 2, they all are equivalent. So instead of writing 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, you can also write 40 by 80 and 20 by 80 because they all are equivalent here. So 10 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 are, I'm going to start with 21. So 21 by 80, 22 by 80, 23 by 80, 24 by 80, and then you have 25 by 80. You can take 31, so 31 by 80, 32 by 80, we can take 35 by 80, 36 by 80, and the last one you can take 39 by 80. I have just randomly taken a 10 rational number. It's not necessary my answer should match with yours because here I have multiplied with 20. If you're multiplying here with 15 or 100 or any other number, your rational number, the answer what I got, you will not get the same answer, you will get different answer, but that answer will be correct. So I hope this question is clear. In case you have further question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.